This is how a pro intro must be made in CapCut. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a website using Canva. So watch till the end. First thing, the perfect outro must be no longer than 10 seconds. As you see here, it's no longer than 10 seconds. Second thing, you can put any attracting effect with bright colors to attract people that open the video. And like that, they complete most of it. In my case, I just used this background. I will leave the link to download it in the description. And I used the glowworm effect. You can find it here, effects, and just type glowworm. And you can add it here. And I use this color. For writing, you can find it here. Both of these bright colors are good. Third thing, try to speak fast, because like that you are kind of stunning their brains and forcing them to stop and do nothing. And there is another key point. You must just put the main topic of the video in the middle like this and a remark or two in the bottom. Because like that you attract the watcher very well, because when something pops up, it attracts attention. That's why we use pop-up animation to attract more the attention. And here is the pop-up animation. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe.